Hey guys, good morning from Bombay for one last time for this year. Excuse my hair condition. It is the situation after a hair spa that I took last night and greasy बालों को मैंने ऐसे ही बंद बना लिया था, so hence some natural wavy curls which are looking okay I think. So this is my last day in Bombay and it's been a very hectic week because of course, you know, if you have watched previous vlog, you already know what I'm talking about. So I thought we have a flight at around I don't know or we will leave by the evening. So I thought let's just do a relaxing day kind of a vlog. Okay, I'm honestly gonna tell you, if I will not be shooting this vlog, I will not be doing most of the things. So the best thing about making these videos is that these videos motivate me to do certain things in a certain way. So hence I'm shooting this. So I just had my green tea, थोड़ी सी बुक रीडिंग हो गई, थोड़ा सा दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है ये देख लिया. And now because I have a massive pain in my back and my legs, basically everywhere, because we did a little hike, we did a lot of things that you're gonna see in the vlog. I'm not going to tell you right here. So after that my body is so sore and I'm feeling very like tight in general and I want to loosen up a little bit. So that's why I am thinking let's just do a little stretching. So we're going to do that right now, and the first step for be able to do that is to change into something that is going to motivate you workout. Like I'm generally motivated all the time. I don't need to wear any fancy stuff to work out. We're going to do that for this video. So let's do a little transition into my workout clothes. We're going to do that. I just don't decide. I just decide I want to do a transition. I just never think of what I'm going to do with the transition, like something like this or something like this, something like this. I don't know. Let me just figure it out. One, two. So we are ready. Now let's start our workout. I'm just not gonna make this whole thing for this vlog. I'm actually gonna do the workout. So now it's time to change the music because we're gonna do some stretching and some calming exercises, some of the meditation at the last. I'm gonna stretch my full body, then at last we're gonna end up with some breathing exercises and meditation. I'm gonna do that again. Hey guys, so we are done with our workout, with our meditation. I did some normal deep breathing, I did Om Vilom, I did Kapalbhati, and I did Bhringraj Pranayam. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling very recharged, very calm and all ready for the day. Although half the day has passed, but it's okay. as I said, we slept very late last night, and sleeping is very, very important. But I'm going to tell you this thing, I'm not going to promote sleeping late. टाइम से सोना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और टाइम से उठना उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. जितना ज़्यादा आप लेट सोते हो, जितना ज़्यादा लेट आप उठते हो, that's what's affecting your body a lot more than you know. And I'm telling you this because I've done my studies in this and how a bad sleeping schedule is going to affect your life for a long period of time. So my tip is sleep on time, wake up early, as much as early as you can. अगर आप 12 बजे सोते हो, अगर आपका रूटीन ये है कि आप 12 बजे सोते हो, so try and sleep at 11:30, and then at 11, and then at 10, and then at 9:30, and then at 9. Like slowly do all these changes. And same like उठने के टाइम पे भी don't force yourself. Like कल से तो मैं 4 बजे उठूँगी. We all are very busy, we all are working, we all have our life. We don't want to hurt ourselves in any way. All we need to do is to just make all of these lifestyle changes which are good for us in long run. I have this suggestion for everyone who is watching this video. I am going to tell you this, that we are living in a time where nothing is good. The water we are drinking is not good. The food we are eating is not good. The हवा जिसमें हम सांस ले रहे हैं, not good. Basically nothing is good. So the only thing to protect yourself is by doing exercise, is by doing the meditation, is by doing the yoga, is by doing all the physical activities basically. Like just do them, like add any kind of physical activity in your routine. So if you're working like 9 to 5 job wala, so all you have to do is to just like wake up at 4 or 5 and take that 1 hour for yourself. Or maybe when you will come back from the office, then you can take that 1 hour for yourself. Go to the gym, go to the swimming, play badminton, play tennis, go for a run, go for a cycling, do anything. Just do some sort of a proper physical activity for 1 hour. Start by that and then gradually increase it to at least 2 hours, because in that 2 hours you need to do any kind of physical activity. Then I want you to sit and relax for like half an hour, for 1 hour if you can. And in that relaxation I want you to focus on your breathing. I want you to do the meditation, the basic yoga and meditation that जिसके नाम सबको पता होते हैं, but people don't do that. Like try and do that for half an hour and then for 1 hour, and then gradually increase your time as per your capability. But do that. So take at least 2 hours for yourself, just for your body and your mind, and do that. Because trust me, this is the only way how you can save yourself in this world that we are living. Heal yourself from inside, make yourself strong from inside, make yourself immune from inside. So that is a quick suggestion from my side to you. And now I'm gonna freshen up. I'm gonna fix this hair. I'm gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna make something to eat because I'm starving. I'm gonna make something healthy, pretty obvious. Enough of the chit chat. What we chit chat for 7 minutes is crazy. Okay, so let's go. I have this avocado and I'm thinking to make an avocado toast. I don't know how to do it. This is like my first time making an avocado toast. Let's see how it will turn out. I will show you the process when I will learn how to do it properly. So right now let's do a little transition for our avocado toast. This is going to be super easy. Ta-da! Right guys, we did it. We have our avocado and egg sandwich. We have bananas, blueberries and the homemade chutney and red sauce. I mean, it turned out pretty good. Generally I don't know how to make any of this, but I did it. It's looking pretty and I'm gonna eat it now. Alright guys, while eating, I am just here to tell you that we made the hell of a dish. It's so tasty. I'm literally eating this combination for the first time, the avocado and the egg and all of this. It's super yummy. Hey guys, it's after a little while now. I was just busy with packing some stuff because We have a flight at 9, but we will leave around 6 because of the Mumbai traffic. Okay, but before that, I am going to Zara because I wanted to buy something really nice for me. I love this shade. It's from Maybelline. It's in the shade 06 Best Babe. It is like my favorite shade. I don't even know how many empties that I have of this particular shade. I love it. This is like my everyday go-to kind of a shade. Look how pretty it is. Just click on my hair. I'm not gonna open my hairs. I'm just gonna tie them up. They're like a little bit on the greasier side. That Chashma going to be in. We're gonna have to change the shots. Guys, look at this tan. This is a sunburn that I had from yesterday. It's major. Actually, I have a pretty dry, sensitive skin, which means I get sunburn very easily. My Dubai sunburn is still there, and you won't believe it. It took me a lot of time to get rid of that sunburn. That it don't irritate me now, but it used to irritate me a lot, and now I'm like, but we can't stop going to beaches. We love beaches. Okay guys, we're ready. I'm wearing these bonkers trousers with this cool t-shirt. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are in Mumbai taxi. Last time. हाँ जाते मतलब it's just like, come on, understand. It's the feeling. I love the streets of Bombay. Like how everything is so artistic. Even like ये पूरा जो एक लेन भी है, एक वॉकवे भी है, वो भी बहुत अच्छे से एक आर्टिस्टिक वे में डेकोरेट हुआ हुआ है. And this amount of greenery which you will see literally everywhere. ज़ारा में हम आए एंड वी वांटेड टू गिफ्ट विमी अ बैग, बट देखेंगे इसमें से हम कौन सा बैग अभी चूज़ करेंगे. गाइस, दिस इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर बैग जो मैंने पूरे दुबई में, पूरे दिल्ली में सारे मॉल्स में ढूंढा, बट इसका रीस्टॉक हो ही नहीं रहा था. बट नाउ ये यहाँ मुंबई में रीस्टॉक हुआ है एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी आई बॉट दिस बैग इन दिस वन एंड आई वांट टू गिव विमी द सेम बैग बिकॉज शी रियली लाइक्ड इट. गाइस, सो वी आर बैक होम and we bought this card that I will show you in a while. And हमने bag wrap करवा लिया. We found only this paper, so we just bought it. Now look at the mess. Need to get the packing done and then leave very quickly. So let's start. Hello guys. We are at the airport. What is the time?
8:29.
It's 8:29. हमारी फ्लाइट है 9:20 की. जैसे तैसे मुंबई का ट्रैफिक झेल के हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँचे.
मैं भी.
हम ऑल्सो. अब बस क्योंकि थोड़ा सा टाइम है चिल करने का तो बैठ रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा डिनर कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम पहुँचेंगे अराउंड 1. तो इतनी लेट तो मैं खाना खाऊंगी नहीं, तो मैं अभी खाना खाऊंगी. देन हम फ्लाइट में जाएंगे, देन हम घर पहुँचेंगे ताकि घर जाके खाने का प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट हो जाए. कि लेट नाइट आई वोंट ईट. दिस मैन कैन ईट एनी टाइम, आई कैन नॉट. आई डोंट नो हाउ द फूड इज़ गोइंग टू बी क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट पे जनरली मुझे अच्छा खाना नहीं मिलता है एक्सेप्ट फॉर द स्टारबक्स कॉफ़ी. पर हम रिस्क उठा रहे हैं क्योंकि भूख लग रही है. हम लोग बियर कैफ़े में बैठे हैं कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीने के लिए. सॉरी मैंने कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया था. सो गाइज वी ऑर्डर्ड हनी चिली पोटैटो एंड दैट्स द लुक ऑफ हनी चिली पोटैटो at Mumbai airport. Let me show you. Look at this. I mean, this is just looking like some non-veg dish. I asked them, is it veg? This veg biryani is looking like rice pulao, and this veg honey chili potato is looking like some non-veg dish.
हर बारी करते हैं तो सेम कर लो.
Guys, we have reached Delhi and आते ही look where he is going. Who drinks coffee? रात के 12 बजे. ये this guy
जल्दी जल्दी पिए.
and only Starbucks.
हाँ मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ जल्दी जल्दी पीते हैं.
वो तो क्या अंदर रोशनी वगैरह रखता हूँ. लिमिटेड टाइम एडिशन होता था. और बेस्ट बात यह है कि अपने स्टारबक्स में ये इंडिया की ही है, कर्नाटक रीजन में. और ये अपने
कब तक आती है दिवाली में?
दीपावली पे आती है.